Joe Beermaster here. We have a 2016 Chrysler Town and Country, and this is one of the newer style Town and Countries. We'll show you how to take this taillight out to change the bulb. First thing you want to do is open the hatch, and then if you look inside, the older style had these little push pins. This one has a 10mm bolt here and a hidden one underneath this rubber. So it's a little tough to see today, but we're going to take them out. We got a little bad lighting today, folks, but we're going to take them two out. It's real quick. 10mm on the inside of the jamb. That's one. And the other one is underneath. Now once we get these loosened, it's going to come out pretty easy, but you have to put a little, they're also held in by pins, so there's a little trick to it sometimes. We're going to pull on it, and this one popped out real easy.
Here's the pins.
You can see the little socket for the pin and the pin. And then if you need to change a bulb, you just twist it or unplug. Twist.
You want to just take the whole light out.
Or you can take the whole socket out by the whole light assembly by disconnecting the harness right down there. It's a little red.
Got a lock.
Red clip there. He's going to pull that and then separate it.
And that takes the whole light out.
And then get that bulb out. You just
Hold tight.
pull it, and that's it. And then you can take this bulb.
And you look to see how many filaments are in it.
There's also numbers. Let's see if we get some better lighting here. Some numbers on the bottom of the bulb. They all have a number. You can call your local supply house, or you can
Then to install it, you just put it back in.
just call them, let them know what you have, or bring the bulb. And then to reinstall, just do the reverse. The whole process should take a couple minutes. Each bulb is one's for like stoplight, one's for turn light, one is for reverse.
This comes out the same way.
On and on and on. So they all have a different purpose. And you just put it back together the same way. Real easy to do. Joe Beermaster.